it was this. A bullet shell. That's what was ringing. Yep, bullet shell. Nice little trophy, you know. I also found this gold ring yesterday as well. I found this gold ring right here yesterday. It had like a little stone in the center, but it fell out when I was wearing it. But yeah, that was my very first find, a gold ring, baby. Let's go. Woo. A bullet. Nice. I thought it was gold though. I thought it was gold because it gave like the same signal as the gold. But yeah, all good. I'll take a bullet shell.